Hey, what's up everyone? I am Tati, your natural nail guru, and today we're gonna have a super short video talking about heat spikes when curing gel products. So before we begin, I'd like to apologize in advance for any sound issues, especially with echoing. I just moved into a new location. My ceilings are like 20 feet high, and needless to say, we're having a little struggle getting this under control, but we're working on it. Heat spike is a sensation that you get on your nail plate when you initially put your hands in a light to cure the gel product. It could be soakable gel product or it could be hard gel product. Now, the heat spike will likely be something that you feel when using an LED lamp versus a UV lamp. If you watch my LED versus UV video, you'll know that LED light is much more concentrated, stronger, more powerful light. When it reacts with the molecules in the gel to cure, that little reaction causes that initial heat sensation, and it happens almost immediately putting your nails in. Now, heat spiking is normal with gel products, especially using an LED light, so I wouldn't say anything for serious concern. For the most part, it might be a little bit uncomfortable, and for a couple of clients, especially if they have more sensitive nail plates, it could be a really unpleasant feeling. Applying thick coats of product, whether it's a base coat, color coat, or top coat. If you're using thicker gel consistency, period, meaning structure gels, really thick coats of art gel, some matte top coats I've noticed are really thick in consistency, and even if you apply it thinly, it's still a sensation that the clients will feel. If you're using hard gels, you will definitely feel a heat spike. Hard gels are super thick and you're applying a thick coat of the product essentially on it. So those are a couple of indicators that you might expect that heat spike to come. There's not a lot that we can do with it, but I do want to share with you what I do with my clients so that we minimize that unpleasant sensation as much as possible. Now, the only way that we can try to minimize this heat spike is what I call tempering. It means that we're going to put the hands in the light and take them out, in and out very quickly, just to kind of ease the light in the gel curing process as opposed to just putting it in full force. So what you're gonna do is let your client know you might feel a little warm sensation, and they're gonna put their hand in for 1 second, maybe 2, take it right back out for a couple seconds. They're gonna put it in for 1 or 2 seconds, take it out, and they're gonna go ahead and do that a third time. You can do it a little bit more if you definitely wanna be sure. But that's definitely what I found to help my clients minimize the chances of that heat spike, because sometimes when you feel it, it is a feeling, okay? So we definitely want to avoid it as much as possible, but don't be concerned. It is a normal thing that happens. The tempering is definitely going to help alleviate a little bit of that discomfort. And if you have any other questions regarding heat spikes specifically or certain products that you're using, please make sure that you drop a comment down below and let me know. There are some products out there that claim to be no heat spike results. So I will be looking at those, trying them out, and of course bringing you the information to see whether or not they really work. And if anyone has tried it and they see an improvement, please let me know, because I love seeing that the information I'm giving is helping you all out. So that's it for today. Thanks again for being patient with me with my sound. We are working on it, and I can't wait to bring you the next video because we have a ton more to do. There's so much in this head to get out, and I'm getting it out there. So make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you hit your notification icon, make sure that you're sharing it with everyone, because this information is for you all. So thank you again, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Bye.